Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are looking at Rollercoin. We're going to take a peek at how my account has changed, and we've got some payment proofs to you as well, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so here we are in my Rollercoin account, and for some of you, I'm sure you can spot that there has been quite a significant change. But before we get into that, what I'm going to do is just give you a bit of a sneak peek, or give you a sort of I guess an idea of what I'm going to have coming up in a future video, and something you might want to get into. Okay, so for those of you that use auto claim, if we go into the dashboard, obviously this is going to be real quick, so make sure you keep watching this. If you basically use auto claim, or even if you just use any type of faucet and you are mining, or you are using the faucet to claim Tezos, Tron or Neo, which this basically you can do. There's Tron, there's Neo and there's Tezos. If you are someone that claims all of those coins, you're going to be really interested in a video I've got coming up very soon. And if you don't collect those coins just yet, you might want to start. Okay, let's get back to Rollercoin. Okay, so after that brief interlude, so let's look at the numbers. The last time we were in here, which was about a week ago, we had 3.159 petahashes. As you can see, we now have 4.801, so we're nearly at 5 petahashes. And I know that I did sort of go on about the 65% reduction in the miners, and you know that I was a little bit hesitant about that, but at the end of the day, the way I looked at it, it was that Rollercoin it's been working great. All the withdrawals that I have put through have ended up in my wallet. So you know, I did feel it was a bit of a calculated risk, or an informed risk as it were. So what I did was I put some coins into Rollercoin from my other programs, and basically managed to purchase myself a good amount of miners. So if we go into, remember we did spill over into the second room, if we go into here now, you can see there is quite a large number of extra miners that have been added to my account. You'll also like to know that in the last video we were earning 6.17 satoshis. We're now earning 7.75 satoshis. So obviously again a nice little jump there for our earnings. And obviously as well, is for the last 10 days we've had a big sort of square banner here talking about the 65% off all miners. So that lasted for the 10 days, and then basically Rollercoin said that after that 10 days that would be the last unlimited sale. So it was a case of, you know, if you've got some coins, you've got a decent amount of whether it Bitcoin, Ethereum or RLT, go and get yourself some of those gold miners, and you know, for those cheap prices that they're offering, because any sales in the future will be limited. For those of you that are not that familiar with what Rollercoin is, so Rollercoin is basically a virtual mining program. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier review that I did. It'll also introduce you to the mobile app, so that means the games that are in here that you can play to build up your account for free You can use on the go and play those games anywhere you want, which will help you build your account a lot quicker. And like I say, I will put that link in the description, and also as well, if you go right the way through to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so what's to come? Rollercoin did mention that basically once their sale was over, that there will be updates coming in the future. I was really hoping that those updates would have already been implemented by the time I did this video. Unfortunately they haven't, but I'm guessing they will be coming soon. And Rollercoin talked about other miners, so what I'm guessing, that is going to be more powerful miners. So I feel that these colored miners, which are basically used to be the default miner, I believe that they will be removed from the shop. The gold miner will then become the default miner, and then whatever they're bringing to us in the next update in the way of miners, they are going to be classed as the deluxe miner. And like I say, remember, when they if they put on another sale, it is going to be a limited one. So I hope that you took advantage of that 65% sale, and my resistance sort of to it didn't put you off too much. Like I said, a lot of what that was about was purely from past experiences that I'd had with other programs. But like I say, I sort of succumbed to that sale as well, just because Rollercoin has been working so well and we've been getting all our payments. And talking about that, let's go and check out what payments and show you the payment proofs that we've been having over the last week. Okay, so if we go into wallet, so you will notice that I actually still have 306 RLT sat in my wallet. You're probably wondering, why did I not buy more gold miners when they were on sale with that? Basically because with these updates that I'm talking about, they are going to be releasing some higher spec miners, and I want to make sure that I've got some coins ready to purchase them and get them running as soon as possible to boost my account even further. And like I keep saying, obviously I did mention that I believe that the old miners will be gone in the very near future anyway, but I do suggest that if you are looking to purchase some miners, make sure you get yourself some RLT and you purchase those gold miners, or get yourself some RLT. Hopefully you'll be able to get put enough in there and wait until these new updated miners are released on the Rollercoin platform. Also as well, I just wanted to bring quickly to your attention, if we go into my profile, you will now see that I have 0 power when it comes to the games. Basically because that my account I've built up my account so much that what I've done is I'm now using that time that I was playing the games on Rollercoin. I'm basically utilizing that time elsewhere, and I'm just allowing this account to sort of tick over and build up as much as I can, but without spending the time actually playing the games. Obviously for you guys that have got the lower accounts and maybe you don't want to invest any coins, then carry on playing the games. Just keep playing them on a regular basis. Obviously if you can play them enough to keep building that power, then absolutely brilliant. Or if maybe you've got to a decent level on power, maybe you just play a few games every day just to maintain that. And obviously hopefully, well, at some point you will be earning enough coins to then purchase yourself some miners, because the whole point with this platform, it's not really for you guys to be playing the games consistently or all the time. Yeah, so play them consistently but not all the time. The idea really is that you build up enough power using those games to then earn yourself some coins and then buy the miners. And then what that does is, like it has done for me. I've bought enough miners that I no longer have to play those games, and obviously it then allows me to use that time elsewhere on other programs. So unfortunately, I did have, or I should have, 6 payment proofs to show you, but basically Ethereum and the Ethereum network is going through a bit of a change with the Ethereum 2.0 coming online relatively soon, and my mobile wallet, basically, although the amount in my Ethereum wallet is increasing with my deposits, I can't actually see the deposits unless I go onto the blockchain online, and I like to just basically take a quick photo for you guys so you can see it on the screen and not sort of mess around too much. But anyway, so I have actually had 6 withdrawals, and I've had 6 those 6 withdrawals land in my wallet, but I can only show you the 4 because I don't have the payment proofs for the Ethereum. So anyway, we'll start off with the big boy. So with Bitcoin, if we go into history, so you can see that on the 24th of August, I made a withdrawal for 50,000, and if you look to the left of the screen, you can see that is my wallet, and that 50,000 landed in my wallet on the 25th of August, so that's only the day later, so 24 hours, which is nice, and we got our coin, so that is obviously exactly what we want. And if we just drop down here, we also made a withdrawal for 26,800 Satoshis there on the 19th of August. And again, if you look to the left side of the wallet, you can see that it landed in the wallet on the 20th of August. And we have our 26,800 Satoshis right there, which is absolutely brilliant. And like I say, this is sort of why I took that risk on those sale miners, because so far, touch wood, obviously, Rollercoin has not missed a beat when it comes to withdrawals. Okay, so we made 2 withdrawals for Doge as well. So on the 24th of August, I withdrew 405 Doge. On the left hand side, you can see my wallet landed in that wallet on the 25th of August. And we have our 405 Doge. 561 we withdrew on the 21st, and in our wallet you can see it landed again on the 22nd of August, 561 Doge. So I mean, we can't really ask much more from these guys. I mean, what can I say about the program? They're constantly striving to update things on their platform, such as obviously bringing in the new miners. They seem to be, like I've said in the past, trying to improve the players' experience, so just making things, a bit better, whether it's customer support, whether it's how fast we are getting withdrawals, and even obviously the miners and things that we can purchase from the shop. So, all dues to Rollercoin. They are making this program better and better all the time. So, what else can there's not a lot else I can say. Like I say, it's not quite the update I wanted to do. I really hope that they would have those extra things on there. But as well, if you are interested in that earlier video that I mentioned, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.